If you got a craving for some smash burgers, I'm gonna show you how to make these at home. For under $20, you can feed your entire family with something homemade and easy like these. You can't go out for that. We've got some roasted potatoes, double smash burger, and the toppings on the side. Let's put it together. When making smash burgers, definitely lay out all of your ingredients before you start. These cook very quickly, so having everything prepped ahead will help you have a more successful experience. I'm cooking the smash burgers on cast iron today. You can use your stainless steel skillet if you want to. If you have a Blackstone and you want to do it outside, go for it. Today, this is what I'm going to do. And because I'm making 3 burgers, I'm going to toast them all on the cast iron sizzle skillet, and then I have my 12-inch skillet over here for when I start cooking the burgers. Sometimes I'll press down lightly on them just to make sure that they fully get toasted on the underside. Sometimes buns are kind of hollowed on the underside and they don't make full contact with the cast iron. I like it to be golden. So I've got the medium heat on now. When I do the burgers, I will crank it up a little bit higher. So it can take a minute or so. Just go ahead and take a look. See that color? That's exactly what I want. When it looks like that, just take it off and put it on the side. Time to cook the burgers. I've got this on just above medium heat. We want to get these burgers smashed as quickly as possible. So I'm going to use the backside of my large serving spatula and my meat tenderizer to press firmly to get that nice thin texture. Okay. Have you made these before? You know, people spend a lot of money going out to restaurants to do things that you can easily do at home. So why the smash burger? It smashes the burger before the fat melts, so you can get a nice crispy crust on your meat. It cooks fast, and preferably you want to use like a 20% fat. I season mine just with crushed peppercorn garlic rub. We want to let these cook for about 90 seconds before flipping. So if you look right here, you can see there's starting to be kind of a brown crust. That's your indication that it's ready to flip. Using a metal spatula like this large serving spatula makes it easier to get underneath and turn it over. See that brown crust? Now it's only going to take about 30 seconds to get the other side done. And as soon as you flip, you're going to go ahead and add your slice of cheese so it can get all melty. It's ready. Now remember, food safety matters, so make sure you do wash your spatula before you start plating it up. We don't want any of the raw juices transferring. So what you're going to do here is take 2 of the patties and put them right on your buns. Doesn't that look good? Stack the other one right on top. You've got to have fries with burgers, so I've got some roasted potatoes in the air fryer that I cooked just with some avocado oil, some of our chimichurri seasoning, and a little bit of Parmesan.